Video tags. How video tags impact visibility. According to YouTube, tags are useful if content in video is commonly misspelt. Otherwise, tags play a minimal role. For example, if your video title or video description has a spelling mistake, video tags can play a crucial role in correcting it. What this means is that if there is a spelling mistake, YouTube algorithm may find it difficult to read the video title or description. However, the video tags added while uploading the video can assist the algorithm to correctly identify your video's topic. A common spelling mistake involves differences between British and American English. For instance, the word color in American English is spelled color in British English. Video tags are also useful for micro-niche content or videos in non-mainstream languages. Tags therefore help YouTube's algorithm comprehend the context of your video, enabling better categorization and placement in relevant searches and suggestions. It helps YouTube know what your video is about, especially if the title or description isn't as clear. This is also true if your content includes words with multiple meanings. Tags provide extra clarification to YouTube's algorithm about the specific content. There's a 500 characters capacity which you cannot exceed. The best way to come up with useful tags is through using rapidtags.io, which we demonstrated to you while uploading our first video on our channel. Alternately, you can also use vidIQ. However, while video tags' direct influence on search rankings has diminished compared to earlier years, they are still useful for SEO.